Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So clearly I'm doing a voiceover here because I didn't figure out how to use my mic when I first got it. Ooh. This video is from when I first got my mic, and so turns out you have to turn the mic on, which is just great. But hey, we are going to do a kind of negative space eyeliner today. I got this idea from RawBeautyKristi. She did one somewhat similar, and I wanted to do my own. I'm not going to talk through the whole thing. You can see popped up on the screen what is going on. But hey, here we are. So yeah, hope you guys like it, and we are just going to jump into it already. So here we go. Alrighty, so what do you guys think? That top color that is supposed to be like purpley, it's purpley on there. It's supposed to be more of an orange color. Pardon my dog's in the back having a fit, but it is supposed to be like an orangey color, as you could see from where I had swatched it to begin with, and I'm going to show you it again here up close soon. But you can see the negative space kind of idea that we have going on here. I like the blues and the greens. I don't usually wear colors like this. I usually stick more towards like orange, warm tone, maybe purple, but not like a cool tone purple like this. But I really like this, not having like normal eyeliner. It was definitely difficult to get that cut line like for the negative space, and I kind of wish it was thicker. Here's that orange that's supposed to be, but it turns out more purpley. As you can see, I'm going to swatch it here in a second. I wish I knew what I was saying. But here it is. See how that does not look like that color at all? But I mean, it still turned out cool even though I wanted it to be like that bright orangey color. So yeah, that is what we have going on here. I like this lip color too. I wish my lashes looked a little bit like thicker or darker. Maybe if I had put lashes on, but it was really hard to get that negative space there with the concealer and like a smooth line. So maybe if I could get that thicker, I could pop some lashes on, but otherwise, this is it. So yeah, this is the final look. Alrighty, well, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. Bye!